Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add base number to a specific pages in a PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select this menu bar organize option and select your base number option and select add base number and select where you want to put base number. I'll add base number, this center footer text and click on this arrow, this base number setting and change your base number digit. I'll add 4-digit zeros and start from 2 and prefix B and suffix I'll add K. Now select OK and see this base number now showing here. This page range option. I'll add a specific page, total 6 pages. I'll exclude first page. I'll add 2 for 6. Select OK. And this font option, you can see the font color, font style, this font size, this font style also. And this base number position, you can see it. This position you can see it also. Now simply select OK. And see this first page base number not showing and second page base number not showing, this third page, and see this in this way you can add base number to a specific page range. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.